Welcome to another amazing video of Car Critic. Let's dive into the video. This is not just another car review. This is an autopsy. A dissection of metal, power, efficiency, and survival. The 2025 Suzuki Alto 800 stands before us. A compact warrior in the urban jungle. But does it have what it takes to endure the grind of modern roads? Does it deliver, or does it fade into the background? By the end of this, you'll know if the Alto 800 is your next ride or just another forgettable machine. Welcome to Car Critic. If you crave raw, unfiltered, high-octane car reviews, hit that like button, subscribe, and buckle up. This ride is about to get intense. The Suzuki Alto 800, a name that echoes affordability and practicality. But in 2025, does it bring enough to the table? Let's rip this thing apart and find out. First impressions matter. Suzuki has kept the Alto 800's traditional compact silhouette, but refined the edges. The redesigned grille is sharper, and the headlamps are more angular, giving it a bolder stance. The subtle creases on the hood aren't just for looks. They improve aerodynamics, cutting through wind resistance like a blade. The 13-inch steel wheels might seem basic, but they're built for durability. The taillights have a slight LED treatment, adding a modern touch. But let's be real, this is not a car designed to turn heads. It's built for the grind. Step inside, and the battle between budget and comfort begins. Suzuki keeps it simple, maybe too simple. Hard plastics dominate the dashboard, but the fit and finish are tighter than before. The center console is driver-focused, with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's basic, but it gets the job done. The seats. Functional. Fabric upholstery with decent cushioning, but long drives. Your back might not thank you. Rear space. It's an Alto, it's tight. For city drives, it's manageable. Suzuki claims improved NVH levels, but road noise still sneaks in, especially at high speeds. Now let's talk about what really matters, the heart of the machine. Under the hood, the Alto 800 packs an 800cc, 3-cylinder engine pushing out 47 horsepower and 69 Nm of torque. Not earth-shattering, but remember, this car weighs barely over 700 kg. Power-to-weight ratio. Decent for its class. A 5-speed manual transmission keeps things engaging, but the AMT option. If you love driving, stick to the manual. The engine has been fine-tuned for fuel efficiency, boasting an impressive 22 to 24 km/L. In city traffic, it's a money saver. But highway speeds. That 800cc will struggle when overtaking. Handling. It's nimble, no doubt. The short wheelbase makes U-turns effortless in parking. A breeze. But high-speed stability. Not its strong suit. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing minor bumps well, but throw it into a corner aggressively, and body roll will remind you. This is a budget hatchback, not a rally car. Safety. Here's where the Alto 800 starts to sweat. 2 airbags as standard. Better than nothing, but in 2025, is it enough? ABS with EBD helps keep braking in check, and the improved crumple zones add some confidence. But let's not sugarcoat this. The Alto 800 is not a tank. In crash tests, it performs moderately. If safety is your top priority, you might want to look elsewhere. But for city commuting at controlled speeds, it does the job. Fuel efficiency is where the Alto 800 truly shines. With real-world mileage between 22 to 24 km/L, this car is built for the fuel-conscious. It sips fuel like a disciplined athlete, making it a budget warrior for daily commutes. Maintenance. Cheap. Suzuki's network is vast, parts are affordable, and reliability. Suzuki's track record speaks for itself. You won't be breaking the bank to keep this car running. A true workhorse for the budget-conscious driver. So, who is the Alto 800 for? If you need a car that's fuel-efficient, compact, easy to maintain, and gets the job done without unnecessary frills, this is it. But if you're looking for power, premium feel, and top-tier safety, you might want to keep searching. Would you buy the Suzuki Alto 800? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you pick the Alto 800, or is there a better alternative? Let's get the discussion going. And if you want more brutally honest, high-adrenaline car reviews, smash that like button, subscribe to Car Critic, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. This is Car Critic, where we don't just review cars, we dissect them. See you in the next one.